Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog. We are going to Elephanta Caves, but we have told Jonathan we are going to Alibag. I don't know what's Jonathan's obsession about Alibag recently, but after this joke,
Can we address the elephant in the station?
I was like, I haven't visited Elephanta Caves recently. So let's go to Elephanta Caves. Alibag. Do you know we're going to Alibag?
I don't know.
I guess Jonathan is suspicious. And like every Indian household going out, I've been asked to check if the geyser is on. Pitaji was right. The geyser is on. Now it's off. Sometimes your parents can be right.
गेट नंबर 1 में जाइए.
Are we taking a flight? Where's the security checker?
Is that the Qutub Minar?
There are 4 Qutub Minars, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Just come here.
Hi, mother. Hi, Laluma. My friends. We did a security check for this. A ferry.
And we need to go to the third boat. Come on, let's go inside.
We took a ferry from Gateway of India to Elephanta Caves and I became super sick when we arrived. I mean, I was already sick, but on top of that, I was motion sick. So I became motion sick square.
I just got motion sickness and I'm already sick from yesterday. So I'm asleep.
I slept for an hour and after getting little strength, a kind young elephant took me to the main area. So in Elephanta Caves, baby elephants are hired as tour guides, vendors and showers. I ate something at my friend's house, Joanne, yesterday. Hey guys, what's up? We in Joanne's flat on the terrace and we finna do a podcast. We are stuck in the terrace.
We're not stuck. He's making it seem like it's a hostage situation, but it isn't. And I'm not saying don't care about your marks. Please care about your marks. It matters for as long as you're in school.
You're
Once you
Matthew,
get
Marks,
out-
Luke and Joanne.
Yeah.
Read the Bible, guys. Like, I'm from Chicago. I have no clue. I
Ha!
have no clue about what Mumbaikars go through.
I would write assignments for people for $2 per page.
That's high levels of poverty. Like,
I wasn't poor. I was just trying not to. I mean, guys, please send me money. I'm uncomfortable. Get married, guys. But like, you can get married whenever you want. For me
Sure,
personally,
sure.
I would
Child
like to be
marriage,
married. No, what? No.
No,
What?
oh.
No. I'm not putting a timeline as to when you should get married, please.
but please do get married, bro.
I mean, it's
High
cute.
time, high time.
I'm not saying that.
I didn't get good sleep in the night, and my tummy didn't feel right. So I'm gonna sit here until they come back. You guys have had Dabeli, but have you had Padeli, the sister of Dabeli? There's this old couple on the side, and they're selling ganna juice, and they look super cute. Man's chillofying the ganna, woman's selling the ganna. I wanna go home. I feel so out of pocket over here, bro. Guy karte. I should be talking the mother tongue, G. Marathi. But yeah, welcome back to Elephanta Ranch. Is it about an elephant or a Fanta named Ellie? I need love. I want to farm, guys. I want to aura farm. What's poppin'? Sky Kartos, homies. Sky Kartos, Tenos. I'm so high right now. My parents have not yet come out. I don't know why I feel so weak. I just want to go home and sleep. So I'm at 4th. I'm heading to Churchgate Station to go to Grand Road. And there is a morcha. I don't know what they are morchaing for, but apparently people all over Maharashtra have come for this event. कुछ हुआ था क्या? During this morcha, a man fell down due to dehydration. Fit आ गया. Shit. Oh bro, that's sad, bro. I don't know, but I'm feeling sad. He got a fit. Damn. Like, at least have water around. Oh, there is water. There are so many people with orange caps. Auntie G sort of fall on me, bro. I don't want jhuta ilzam and all, bro. Auntie falls and auntie puts a case on me while auntie falls on me. Nah, G, I'm not falling for that, G. So much orange around me. What unity. I hope their mange is puried. I'm not laughing at the mange. I'm laughing how I put Hindi and English together. But yeah, guys, it's sad. Like, study hard, guys. Study hard. I like the beat. I'm a freestyle. I'm in fort, looking for a coat, trying to get my folks out of this mess. It didn't rhyme, bro. But the message stays. Don't trust the government. Trust in you. You have the power to be a government officer. I'm just an innocent citizen of India trying to go to Churchgate Station to get back home. I love oranges also. Please don't come at me. I stand with y'all. Bro, I legit stood with them. I think I should not say a lot right now because I'm scared that I'll get cancelled and my house will be burnt down. No! It's not my house also. You love you more than others love you. So you can get you out of a problem more than others can get you out of a problem. And we reach Churchgate Station. And I'm in a train going to Grant Road. Change of plans. I have to go to Churney Road because my friend is too lazy to go and get something from Churney Road. I'm just scared of losing friends if I say no. I say yes, bro, I would love to do it now. I don't love to do it. I don't love to do anything except sleep in the afternoon. But I love my friends, so it's fine. Everyone loves the vlog, guys. Everyone loves the vlog, you know what I mean? But I don't think I should love my friends this much. Like this much? I was going to Grant Road. Now they tell me to go to Churney Road. Can't I be granted the wish of going to Grant Road? Rather be granted a load of going to Churney Road. It's raining also and I don't have an umbrella. I'm also super hungry, guys. When Jesus held me in his arms, people started singing, he's got the whole world in his hands. Liposuction ain't got nothing on me. Most of y'all might have a question. Are vlogs your coping mechanism? It's you are talking to a camera and I want to do it for the rest of my life. So if you love my content, please subscribe. Wow.
I'm in the store looking for some more khajur. So I had a friend called Khajur, and once he went on a date. I don't know what he did, but his date wasn't comfortable around him. And his date took him to court. And he was faced by a khajuri, and they declared him guilty. That's sad, uncle.
Here's a lesson on how to live life one verb at a time. I am sitting. I am getting up. I am opening the door. I found my socks. I founding my socks. And I'm founding my shoe. I'm wearing my bag. And I'm going to church. Everyone saw my underpants.
Agape, why talk about church in every vlog? Because I post on a Saturday evening, and the only thing I do on a Sunday is go to church. By this time, my church has to hire me as a brand ambassador, but it's still figuring out how to post good content on social media.
So off I am to church. Wait, why can't I see God's beauty? I saw it. I'm single, eating a Pringle. There was this guy ahead judging me and walking and looking back and like, wow, he talked to the camera also. Very nice.
Levels of unemployment.
Damn, unemployment had an Oscar. Bro has 15 of them.
Bro, not a Leo DiCaprio.
Bro, Meryl Streep with a streak eating steak. Bro, never being a Leo. You think unemployment comes this easy?
मैं पायलट बनना चाहता था, पापा का पैसा उड़ाना चाहता था.
Sometimes I entertain me and people around me looking back at me, oh these guys didn't. But most people I walk past now, they always have to say, who is he talking to? Is it his girlfriend? Talking about girlfriend, the only girl I'm allowed in my life is my mother. And my sister's around. I took the ticket and I'm standing waiting for the train to come.
Bro, where are you going, bro?
I'm heading to church.
Don't go to church. We'll go to a mall.
I didn't get the shot properly, bro. But the idea was good. There was an uncle standing and staring at me, if you can see. And he was making me conscious. No, don't make me conscious. How is Agape this active in the morning? And that too a Sunday morning when there is no work. I do drugs. I do lots of it. I've done all kinds of drugs. I've done Proverbs, James. I've done 1 John, 2 John, 3 John, all 3 Johns. I love drugs. Do drugs, guys. Do a lot of drugs. I do a lot of drugs.
Does that make my dad a pusher? A pusher T? Bro, my dad's a pusher T. Guys, my dad is pusher T. Because if I do drugs and he sells drugs, my dad's pusher T because he's Thomas.
I like your hair, bro.
I know. Grew it myself. Fertilizers dal ke. What's up?
If you don't know vlogging, that means you don't know Savi.
Exactly. The vlogging world needs me.
Savi and I used to stay in the same house. But then Savi left me.
I came back. I stayed. And now he's leaving.
What are the healthy choices of life we should implement?
While having pizza, Instead of having sugar, have 2 pizzas. Don't get Coke with pizza.
The auto wala will chuck us out in like 5 minutes.
The more the oregano, the merrier the oregano.
That's a quote right there.
The more the oregano, the merrier the pizza. Look, weren't we having pizza? Okay, if life gives you lemons, don't attach chilies and put it in front of your car. Huh? I mean, up to you. Yeah. I'm watching myself. Shoot a vlog.
Say your last words. If you don't say your last words, I'll kill you. Sorry, please don't shoot me.
Hey guys, I'm eating an apple right now. I'm seeing the depth of vlog. This apple slaps. And also, it kept my doctor away. But fun fact, I eat the apple with the seeds like how I eat the orange with the seeds. But apparently apple seeds are very harmful for you. Here's why. Hey guys, did you know that apple seeds can kill you? How can it kill them, Meba?
It's because of the cyanide.
That's crazy.
Yes.
Yeah, I was on the floor. It didn't go well. Let's go buy audio equipment. I bought it, guys. And this is how I waste my salary.
We are heading to Lamington Road to repair his laptop. And if you can hear us clearly, it's because we got a new mic.
A carrot a day keeps the parrot away.
Everyone tells me, Josh, how you did in the exam? How he's got 97 in the exam.
Wow.
But nobody
That's
asked what the exam did to me.
Joshua has no idea where we are going. It's just...
That's correct. That's correct.
Guys, we found the service center.
There's no ASF in this, bro. Oh, yeah. Everything
We
looks
didn't
the
find
same.
the service center. We finally found it. Yeah, Josh. Testing waters. We didn't find it.
But it looks exactly like this.
And Joshua was kinda right because we roamed around for half an hour and came back to this same spot. Guys, we finally found it.
We have the laptop getting serviced right now. That's true, that's true. Getting a Wi-Fi card transplant. Oh, guys, don't stop praying, guys.
1 like equal to 1 prayer, guys. Please like and don't stop praying.
Amazing. G, my
Guys.
Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are bad. It's a miracle.
You all prayed well, guys. You all prayed.
Bro, I had a call from Jeff Bezos also. He said, come on the meet. I said, bro, my laptop's not working.
Hello, my name is Jonathan. I'm gonna start the vlog because my brother's having some work. He told me to come later. Look, this is my aunt. She's little scared, so she doesn't want to be in the video. So look, guys. You know me. I'm in my brother's vlogs. So much fun. Please like and subscribe to my brother. He wants 5 million subscribers and likers. So please subscribe and like. Bye.